Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. In your previous class, I already discussed about articles and specially indefinite articles, right? And what is indefinite articles and what are they? Yes, they are A and N. A and N are called indefinite articles, right? And we use articles A or N before a singular noun. We use A or N when we talk about a common noun for the first time, and specially called A and N are called indefinite articles. Okay, so students, in today's class I will discuss about definite articles. The word the is also an article. The. The is also an article. Okay. We call it the definite article. So indefinite articles are A and N, and definite article to ki hobo? The article. Okay. We use the. These are some rules. Okay. When we have already talked about the thing before, when we have already talked about the thing before, jetia ami already ইতিমধ্যে আমি সেই বিষয়টোৰ বা সেই বস্তুটোৰ বিষয়ে মানে আলোচনা কৰিছো বা কথা কৈছো, then we use the article. Okay. Second rule is when we talk about something in particular. Yes, the article is used to refer to specific and particular noun. And when we talk about something in particular, that means a nirjishto bostutor bikhoye bujua hoise, then we use the article. Okay. Third number rule is when the noun is plural. Okay. In definite articles, the is always used when the noun is plural. Noun to jetia plural form ot gusi jabo, then we use the article. Okay. And the fourth one rule is when there is only one of something, then we use the article. Okay. Students, here let's you see the note. The is used before words that begin with consonants as well as vowels. The article, that means the definite article, is used before words that begin with consonants as well as vowel. Consonants hobo pare, vowels hobo pare. Because the is used before words that begins with jitu start hoy, begins with consonants dio start hobo pare and as well as vowels dio start hobo pare, then we use the article. Okay. Let's see some examples. First example is I am reading a new book. Full stop. The book is very good. I am reading a new book. Moi eta notun kitab eta porhi asu. I am reading a new book. And the second sentence you see, the book is very good. The book is very good. Why? The kyo use hoise yate? Because we have already talked about that book. Okay. We have already talked about that book and that's why we use the article. Ami already first sentence jitu asil I am reading a new book, he sentence to already he book tur bikhoye ami he kitab tur bikhoye ami yate sentence to আলোচনা কৰিছো বা কথা sentence to included ase he book to. Then in the next sentence the book is very good, that means he second sentence to he book tur bikhoye koa hoise yate, and that's why we use the article. Okay. Second example, you see the principal is busy because principal is known to the speaker and the listener, and that's why we use the article. Principal to আমি সকলোৱে জানো principal মানে কি. So principal is known to the speaker and listener. Okay, and that's why the article is used. Third number example, you see the oranges are in a basket. ORANGES, oranges. So O is a vowel. So yate kyo da use hoise, kyo yate n use hua nai, because oranges is a plural noun. It's a singular or plural? Yes students, it's a plural form. Singular form is orange and the plural form of the orange is oranges, and that's why yate ki use hoise, the article use hoise. Then you see the fourth number, the sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly because there is only one sun. Yes, only one sun. The sun, the moon, the world, it's all are only one, and that's why yat ki use is the article. Okay students, let's see the B number exercise. Circle the correct articles. A or N, onion. ONION, onion. So O is a vowel, and that's why yat ki use hoise an article, an onion. So second number is A or N, spider. So spider word starts with the consonant S. So here we are going to choose A article. Okay. Third number, you see A or the shoes, because shoes is a plural noun, and that's why we use the article. Okay, shoe is a singular and shoes is a plural form, and that's why we use the article. Okay. Fourth number, you see A or the books. Again books is a plural noun, so that the article is used. Fifth number, the or a moon, because there is only one moon, and that's why the article is used. The moon, the sun, ebilakor khetrot ki use hobo, the article. So sixth number, A or an orange. So orange starts with the vowel sounds, that's why we are going to use N before it. Okay. A or an shirt. So short word starts with the consonant S. So here we are going to choose A article. A or the umbrellas, because umbrellas is a plural noun, right? Singular form is umbrella and the plural form of umbrella is umbrellas, and that's why we use the article. Okay. So students, here you see some examples of definite articles. So students, all we know now that the is used to refer to specific or particular noun, and the definite articles is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. Okay. So first example is the apples, the mangoes. So because apples and mangoes both are plural form of the noun. Okay, and that's why we use the articles. The apples, the mangoes. This is a dog. The dog is brown. This is a dog, full stop. The dog is brown. Use the after you have talked about the first time or already talked about the dog. This is a dog. Etu eta ki dog. So the dog is brown. Hey doctor bikhoye koa hoise, hey kukurtur bikhoye koa hoise, and already talked about that dog. That's why we use the article. Okay. I have a cat. Full stop. The cat is fat. Use the after you have talked about the first time. Yes, first time the cat is used. Cat word used. That means I have a cat and already talked about that cat, and that's why we use the article. Okay. And the moon, the sun, the world. We use the in front of all the nouns to describe something a specific or unique. Okay, and because there is only one moon, there is only one sun, only one world, and that's why we use the article. So students, I hope all of you better understand the topic definite articles, and with this, thank you so much, students.